This is Oria and I'm here again. I'm gonna show you my new AirPods. This is my first unboxing video, by the way. I'm going to show it to you. This is so cool. It don't have wires. It's Bluetooth connection. I saw people around here in New York and they wearing this, and I just wonder what is that. And I like to have that too, the same thing, because it don't have wires. You just talk to your friends using your ear. So I bought one last Thanksgiving on Black Friday. Yes, I love this thing. So I'm gonna show you the unboxing video now. I hope you're gonna like it. I'm gonna read the instruction on how to connect it on my phone. Yes, here it is. I'm going to peel it off now. And then I'm going to peel it off the other side. And I have my knife with me in case that I need it. But be careful when you use your knife, okay? Okay, so it's easy to open. There's instruction over here how you're gonna open and how you're gonna use it. And it says AirPods, MagSafe charging case. And look at the picture. Look at the Apple sign. Here's the box. And it says, designed by Apple in California. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Okay, and look. So this is the case. It's so small, and I'm going to open this. Look, it's lighting. And this is it. This is the AirPods, and I'm going to connect it on my phone right now. And then I'm gonna check it out, how I'm going to use it. And I'm gonna tell you how it cool. So it's easy to do it. It's good, even you're working, you could talk to anyone. And thank you. Please subscribe and hit like and comment below. This is the charger. And look at my AirPods. I could dance now and I could do disco.